They had really a difficult time before winter, and now you see that they are recovering, all of them, and they are doing really well. Wait, I show you. Ta-da! These already makes here, this already has a T, so I take one off so that the growth can concentrate in one side. I do that just before we plant them already. Here now it looks already a little bit more like a tree. Yeah, it's okay. It goes up, protection for sun and for wind. And this one will be a little bit more complicated because I saw it has already more leaves. You see the really green parts? This is the parts start growing. I just want to concentrate them on one, so I take one off and I leave the more dominant one. And this can go in. Ready?